While we were on our 3-month summer trip out west, we stayed at Left Tailrace Campground near Fort Thompson, South Dakota. It was an isolated campground in the middle of the Missouri River. Really nice campground with paved sites, and we had a nice pull-through.
We're Dave and Karen from Walks on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
We chose site number 1 because it was the longest site there at 89 feet. The cost is $22 a night. We paid $11 a night because we have the America the Beautiful Senior Pass card. This area is really pretty on the Missouri River, and Big Bend Dam is right next to it.
So you're going to kind of go straight versus taking the curve to the right.
Doing what? Going this
Going
way?
that way.
Going this way.
There's the campground.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at Left Tailrace Campground on the right.
Underneath.
Arriving at Left Tailrace Campground on the right.
I guess I go this way.
I don't know. Dumps that way. Oh, you got a tight left turn to make up here, honey. Campground entrance.
Got some current coming out of that dam.
Go through the stop sign, go around, pull in.
This campground was easy to get around, and we just fit in site number 1. The park host will put a card on your post with your dates and your initials on it so that people know that the site is reserved. As you come in, you'll see extra parking up front here. There's the Missouri River. They have dumpsters throughout the campground. They also have disc golf. Check-in is at 4, check-out is at 4.
And they have speed bumps.
Oh yeah. If you go straight, you go towards the launch and where the boat trailers are parked. You'll make a left-hand turn in through the gate. And you will see the common area up here with horseshoes, cornhole, pavilions, and a play area for the kids. And when you come in, you'll see the guard check, and just pull up, go to the window and get signed in. There's no tags or stickers or anything you gotta hang from your windshield. If you swing to the left, you'll have sites 1 through 22. And you will find water spigots throughout. There's no water at the actual sites. And you have to have a hose in order to get the water out of them. Mostly pull-throughs. They all have like a concrete picnic table. Most of them have a little shaded cover for them. There's a lot of tent area up here. The trees are sparse. They don't seem to be a problem. Clean. Clean. Dave says good hot water and pressure. There's one shower. And the handicap, and you have a big solid door so you have privacy. Obviously you can also put tents on your sites if you don't have an RV. It's quiet, but they have fish flies. They don't bite, they're annoying, and they like coming inside.
Not fish flies.
What are they?
Flies.
Well, they have fish flies too, those funky
Yeah.
with the wings.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they also have flies.
Lots of flies.
More kid play area. And there's a fish station. You want to clean your fish that you catch. These pull-throughs are pretty long. There's your ramp. And we have seen trucks pulling RVs, pulling boats. So some of these sites are real close to the water. Some of these are back-to-back sites too. So if you're coming with somebody, you can get back-to-back. No beach here, but there is one about a half a mile away. Gravelly beach.
If you want to call it that.
Gravelly, muddy beach.
Yeah.
Come down here and sit, look at the water. These are one-ways. That one on the end here would have been nice. I don't know if it's quite as long though.
No.
And we just make it in ours. There's another dumpster. We're in site number 1, but they've got, I think, over a dozen spigots throughout for water. You can park your boat on the grass, but for cars and trucks, you're allowed 2 wheels in the grass and 2 wheels on gravel or concrete. Quiet campground. It's nice. Left Tailrace Campground is near Fort Thompson, South Dakota, and is an Army Corps of Engineers campground, which sits on the shore of Lake Francis Case on the Missouri River below Big Bend Dam. Just upstream of Left Tailrace, Lake Sharp, a popular recreation destination in the Great Plains, was created by the completion of Big Bend Dam in 1966. It is possible to view many types of wildlife on the Missouri River at Lake Sharp. Tribal bison herds can be seen grazing the lake area's grasslands north of the towns Fort Thompson and Lower Brule. The shoreline areas of the lake also offer excellent waterfowl, upland game birds, and big game hunting opportunities. Left Tailrace Campground offers 81 electric hookups and 12 non-electric tent sites. Electrical sites have a 30 and 50 amp pedestal, paved pull-through and back-end sites, along with a picnic table and fire pit. Left Tailrace Campground also offers men's and women's bathhouses with showers and toilet stalls. Tent sites have fire rings and picnic tables. The area also offers a large day use area with shelters and grills, playgrounds, and a 9-hole disc golf range. Fishing is the main attraction to the area, with walleye being the primary sport fish. Amenities at this campground include amphitheater, basketball courts, campfire rings, dump station, because there is no sewer hookup at the sites, electric hookups, firewood, fish cleaning stations, flush toilets, horseshoe pit, ice, lake access, parking area, paved roads, paved sites, pets are allowed, picnic area and shelters, a playground, showers, vault toilets, water spigots, grills with fire rings, and there is a swimming beach area just around the corner about a half a mile. Things you need to know: you need to reserve the site you want at recreation.gov and can make the reservation up to 6 months in advance. Each person in camping unit is limited to a 14-day stay in a 30-day period. Off-road use is prohibited. All motor vehicles parked at campsites are restricted to 2 wheels on the pavement and 2 on the grass. No all-terrain vehicles, golf carts, or dirt bikes are permitted unless licensed and considered street legal. Pets are allowed but must be kept on a leash of no more than 6 feet. Firewood from outside the area is not permitted. Boaters, paddlers, and anglers need to clean, drain, and dry their boats. Left Tailrace is open May 1st through September 30th. Standard electric sites are $22 per night and tent sites are $16 per night. If you are 62 or older and have the America the Beautiful Senior Pass, you will get 50% off. When you come into the campground, you'll come in off of Route 47 on a little service road. But when you leave, if you want to use the dump station, you could use Lower Road, which is in the blue.
station. That's flushing water.
What's this one? This is potable, probably.
Yeah, this probably says. Yeah.
Yeah, that one's potable.
Potable drinking water. Yeah.
Okay. There's one way in and a separate way out. You cannot go out by the guard shack. When you go to exit, you'll have to hang a left to go out through the launch area where you park boat trailers. It's a real nice kids play area over here. And a bathroom. And there's the dam. You will hear the horn go off periodically. This park is well maintained. But we'd stay here again for a stopover. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.